Hi, my name is NurHaziqah Izzaty Binti. My duration of internship is about 22 weeks, and for this, I am internship at VISITECH System Sdn as a practical training. During my internship period, I was able to gain various types of experience and emotional stage. It does provide me with a huge amount of practical knowledge, and I was given the opportunity to know what it's like to be in a working environment and practice my knowledge I learned from the class into a real project and hand-on practice. In this video, I will show to you guys how to set up the Laravel. The starting point before we start the coding, firstly, we need to have PHP in our local environment and check the version. So open the terminal and type php.v. Next, we also need the composer, so we need to download and install to our system. To check the conversion version, we need to write the composer.v version and go to the Laravel documentation. Make sure all your computer meet all the requirement needed, and tap the Laravel copy and paste the Laravel command to create a Laravel application at the terminal, and wait for the installation complete. Type PHP artisan serve to start the development server at localhost, and you're good to go. Last but not least, I would like to thank to Mr. Arham and staff of VISITECH System Sdn for welcoming me as an internship student at their company. Never in a million years would I have been able to complete this internship.